Hello children, welcome to your EBS class. Today I am going to teach you your chapter 5. Your chapter 5 is creepy crawlies. Do you know what is creepy crawlies? Creepy crawlies means the insect which gives us feeling of fear and dislike. Okay, when we see some insect like cockroach or spider, we scared because we dislike them and also we feel that harmless, so we scared. So creepy crawly means an insect that give us a feeling of fear or dislike. Okay, creepy crawly means an insect that gives us a feeling of fear or dislike. Example: spider, cockroach, okay. We see many animals around us every day. Some animals like cockroach, grasshopper, spider, snail, ant. Such animals scare. Some people scare such animals. So these are the animals which are insect and which gives us a feeling of fear or dislike. Okay. Insects are the small creature. Insects are the small creature. Insects are the small creature. We found them everywhere. Okay, we found them everywhere around us. They hide inside the house or corner of the house, inside the garden, and under the ground, and inside the water, and also on the trees. We found everywhere. Okay. Some insects are very useful for us, while some harm us. Okay. Some example of common insects are ants, grasshopper, cockroach, mosquito, ladybird, and dragonfly. These are the common examples of insect. Okay. Let us discuss now body of an insect. Look at this. This is an insect. Here their parts of the bodies are given. Okay. Look at here. This is head, and these two are antenna, and this is called thorax, and these are two wings, and these two are legs, and this is called your abdomen of insect. Okay, these are the body parts of an insect. Okay, an insect have two eyes and two antennas, two wings, and two feelers also in their head. Okay. Insects have 6 legs, 2 eyes, 2 feelers or antenna. Look at this. In this picture, these are 2 antenna, or we call them 2 feelers. Okay, and 1 mouth. Okay. Antenna help the insect to smell, taste, and hear. Your antenna. Look at this. These are antennas. This helps the insect to smell, taste, and hear. Okay. Insect have no bones. Their body are soft body, and their body is covering with hard covering. Yeah, their body covered with a hard covering. Okay, insect have no bones. Their body are very soft, and their body were covering with a hard covering. Okay. The part between the neck and belly is the thorax. Look at your book. The part between neck and belly is called your thorax. Okay. Abdomen contains the heart and organ of breathing and digestion. Inside the abdomen, the heart and breathing and digestion organs are there. Okay. We know insects have two wings, where some insects have also four wings. Flies have two wings. Such insects like flies have two wings, whereas the insect like beetles, dragonfly and bees have four wings. Okay. Some insects like cockroach, bees, wasp, beetle, these are the insects which can walk and also fly. Okay. Here termites and ants generally crawl. We know termites and ants generally crawl on the ground. Till they develop wings, they crawl. After develop their wings, they can fly as well. Okay. Insects like silverfish, louse do not have wings. These insects have no wings. Okay. They only crawl. They can't fly. Okay. Insects have special type of mouth which help them to get their food. For example, look at this. Your butterfly have tube-like mouth which help them to suck nectar from the flowers. Mosquito have needle-like mouth which help them to suck blood. Okay. But your grasshopper have beating and chewing like type of mouth which help them to feed on plant starts. Okay. Let us discuss worms and snail. We see worms and snail commonly in our garden. Worms are seen screaming on the ground, but snails are seen crawling across leaves. Okay. Screaming means wriggle or twist the body from side to side. Okay. Screaming means wriggle or twist the body from side to side. Okay. We call worms and snail wriggly and slimy. Okay. We call them wriggly and slimy. Okay. Wriggly and slimy. Snail have no bones. Their body are very soft and hard round shell on their bodies that protect them. Okay. On snail there is a hard round shell. Look at this. This is snail and this is a hard round shell on their bodies that protect them. Okay. Worms have soft body and worms have long cylindrical tube like body and no limbs. Worms have a long cylindrical tube like body. Their body are cylindrical tube like. Okay, and they have no limbs. Okay. Although earthworm is a insect, it cannot fly. They wriggle and crawl. Earthworm wriggle and crawl. Okay, centipedes and millipedes are the insect. They have many legs. These are the insect which have many legs. Okay, all of you see, what is this? This is butterfly. The young one of butterfly is your caterpillar. Young one of butterfly is called your caterpillar. Look at this. This is earthworm, this is centipede, and this is caterpillar, and this is snail. Okay, these are the insects. Okay, then let us discuss reptiles. Reptiles are lizard, garden lizard, chameleon. These are called your reptiles. Okay, these are your reptiles. Reptiles eat insects. Okay, look at your book. This is your lizard and this is chameleon. These are the reptiles. Reptiles feed on most of the reptiles feed on insects like mosquitoes, butterfly, moth, house flies, and cockroach. Lizard have long sticky tongue which help them to catch their food. Okay, lizard have long sticky tongue which help them to catch their food. Okay, chameleon eat large insects such as locust, grasshopper, cricket, and stick insect. Okay, chameleon eat large insects such as locust, grasshopper, cricket, and stick insect. Okay, chameleon can change their color. Chameleon have capacity to change their color according to their surroundings, so they can hide from their enemies. So they hide from their enemies. This is called your camouflaging. Okay, camouflaging means to hide oneself by changing their color to against their surrounding, to protect them from their enemies. Okay, so this much for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.